Hello, there's Tania Gabrielle, Wealth Astronumerologist, and welcome to your weekly Astronumerology forecast for January 6th through 12th. This is a big week of the year. It's amazing. We have an eclipse, we have the stellium, we have Uranus stationing direct. It's amazing. So if you want to know more about January's stunning star code, head on over to the Premium Wealth Forecast for January. There's a free link there. You can listen to part of the forecast. And if you click on the link below, it'll take you to that page. Let's look at the first highlight of the week, and that is when the Sun sextiles Neptune on January 7th, which is a Tuesday. And this is beautiful because hey, Neptune is about spirituality and intuition and empathy and compassion and universal love and sensitivity, spirituality. So your psychic abilities are really raised right now. And this is right before we move into that incredible series of events. So to be very in tune with your intuition is very exciting. The universe, of course, always sets things up beautifully. And this is also a very romantic, creative transit. Then on the 10th, two big events. Uranus stations direct, the same day that we have the Cancer full moon eclipse. Now, this eclipse happens at 20 degrees in Cancer Capricorn, with the Sun in Capricorn, the Moon in Cancer. 20 is the number of the year. We're in 2020, so we have a very powerful code here of 420s lined up in this event. And there's actually 520s because Mercury is also at 20 degrees during this eclipse. So we have the Moon at 20 degrees, the Sun at 20 degrees, we have Mercury at 20 degrees, and we have 2020. So this is all about harmony, balance. 20 brings things into equilibrium so that we are not pulled in different directions, being in conflict, but we are at peace. And because this eclipse is right before the stellium in Capricorn, we have the four planets exactly opposite the moon. The moon is in Cancer opposite Capricorn. So we have the Sun, Mercury, Pluto, and Saturn opposite the moon for this eclipse. Now, this is going to create a lot of tension that needs an outlet to be balanced. And so, if you feel yourself being a little moody or in conflict, it's just a readjustment. You just want to get more sleep. You want to not invest in a lot of decision making or, deep discussions with people. If you feel out of it, you need to take a time out. And this is a very, very big moment here because we're really coming in touch with our inner conflicts and understanding how to bring those into balance by letting go and being open and seeking joy, right? Not seeking more conflict. And because Jupiter is trine Uranus still, which is exciting during this event, it will bring us that sense of upliftment. There's always a way to channel this energy in a very positive way, and Jupiter trine Uranus is again helping us do that. Remember, Uranus stations direct on this very same day, January 10th. So Uranus is your inner inventor. So you definitely want to go into a place where you're using your imagination in a creative way. Then on the 12th, we have the stellium. Now, I have two long star code podcasts that you can watch or listen to that will allow you to really dive into both these events. The stellium hasn't happened in 500 years between Saturn and Pluto in Capricorn. Last time was 1518 when Martin Luther broke away from the Catholic Church. So this is a big moment because we also have the Sun and Mercury part of the stellium this time, plus Jupiter is now in Capricorn. So it's a much bigger moment in human history. This is very, very powerful. Capricorn is about taking responsibility for your life. In a nutshell, right? To be discerning, to make decisions based on truth, and to not be afraid of hard work, of getting somewhere that brings you joy and not giving up just because you've encountered something that is giving you pressure or makes you feel frustrated. Capricorn just moves right through those moments and says, well, you know what? I'm still seeking. I'm still in a place of joy, And I understand that every obstacle makes me stronger. So this is a very, very powerful moment. And so, the week is amazing. If you can, have some time to yourself. Get out in nature, communicate with beauty, with the beauty of nature. Capricorn is an earth sign. It wants you to ground yourself by walking on earth, right? Preferably barefoot if you can, because you want to connect to that electrical earth grounding energy. And so if you're near a beach, or if you have shoes that are not, that have leather soles where you can ground yourself, this is a wonderful week to really get into the incredible resource of earth that is there for us, that helps recalibrate us and bring us into balance. So I wish you an amazing week, and I will see you in next week's forecast.